are gonna cook it now. Cooking has never been my strong suit, but my passion of savoring delicious dishes know no bounds. This past weekend I decided to step out of my comfort zone and embarked on an exciting culinary journey by attending two captivities workshops, one dedicated to crafting the perfect American burger and the other of mastering the art of Japanese sushi roll. My journey began with a deep dive into the real American burgers, and it proved to be an eye-opening experience. Under the expert guidance of seasoned chef, we delved into the art of burger making. Our adventure commenced with the crucial step of selecting high-quality meat to serve as foundation for our burger, ensuring that it was nothing short of exceptional. However, it wasn't just about assembling ingredients, it was about understanding the delicate interplay of flavors and textures that make each burger a unique delight. We discovered that the key to burger perfection often lies in the sauce. Crafting homemade sauce from scratch added a personalized touch that elevated our burger to a whole new level of deliciousness. Following our delightful journey into the American classic, I translated on into the serene and elegant realm of Japanese cuisine. The sushi roll workshop was delightful exploration on flavor and culinary technique. We began with the basics, mastering the art of crafting traditional sushi rolls with nori, rice, cucumber, creamy avocado, red fish, and several.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
The joy of creating and sharing our culinary creation brought us together, transforming the workshop into delightful social events. We ever held a friendly competition to determine who could craft the most mouth-watering burger and the most visually captivating sushi roll. This workshop served a reminder that cooking is not merely about satisfying our tasty buds. It's a gateway to creating lasting memories and forming connection with fellow food enthusiasts. So if you ever find the chance, I recommend going or prepare a culinary adventure. It's an essential celebration of culinary art. See you soon, see you later, goodbye.